In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Tekken 7 online with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can play Tekken 7 online with your friends. So all that you have to do is open Tekken 7, make sure that you and your friends are running the latest version of the game, and go over to the online section. So on the main menu, choose online. Once you select online, you will see the main mode. So you have ranked match, player match, tournament, and leaderboards. Tournament is recommended if you have multiple people that you want to play with. But if all you are looking for is a 1v1, then one of the other options is going to be better suited for you. So now, choose player match. If you want to do a friendly 1v1, go over to create session. And now one of you will have to host a session. So give it a custom name, anything that you'd like so your friend can find it, but usually you will be inviting them directly, so it doesn't really matter. Change all of the other parameters, set up private slots, win limit, connection, language, and so on. And once the session has been created, press the menu option here. So display the menu, and now you will reveal the invite players option at the top. So choose invite players, and if you are playing through a platform like Steam, your Steam friends list will open where you can send out the invite. If you are on a different platform, then you will see that respective friends list instead. Go ahead and send out the invite. Your friend will join alongside with a message, so it is going to tell you that they have joined your session. They will appear on the second slot here. You can invite more people if you prefer to one of these empty slots. And now once everyone is ready to go, start the game. So you open the menu, you can go ahead and start. Each of you will be able to pick your side, your character, configure the match, and play together. So I hope I was able to help you on how to play Tekken online with friends. Before I end this video, I want to highlight what I noticed when I checked the channel metrics. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions and videos related to Tekken. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.